truck stop guy, no. He was a truck stop guy, no. He started out in medical school, but soon got tired of all the rules. Thought he would try his hand, travel in America's heartland. Truck stop guy, no. He was a truck stop guy, no. Working night and day, was a truck stop guy knows way. Moving tons of freight, but he never made his patients wait. Truck stop guy, no. He was a truck stop guy, no. Then early one December at Big Ed's Trucker Paradise, the lot lizards were battling a swarm of pubic lice. A desperate call went out on every CB radio, and the parking lot emptied out as it began to snow. But the truck stop guy, no, didn't slip away. He said, I'm a guy, no, let me help folks, as a fuel pump cashier began to pray. The truck stop guy, no, broke out the Permethrin spray. For the truck stop guy, no, it was just another day. Truck stop guy, no. He was a truck stop guy, no. Big Ed's Trucker Paradise was saved that snowy night by the truck stop guy, no, who never gave up without a fight. No one even caught his name, but his memory lives on at Big Ed's, where he's in the Hall of Fame. Truck stop guy, no. Truck stop guy, no. He was a truck stop guy, no.